of metabolism. In first metabolism, which will take place in intestine, lumen of intestine, that is digestion and absorption. Carbohydrate is converted, mainly starch is converted into glucose, fat, mainly triglyceride, converted into fatty acids, and proteins are converted into amino acids. They enters through enterocytes into the blood by active and passive diffusion. Then these entered amino acids, fatty acids, and glucose enters inside the cells of the body, mainly liver, hepatocytes. In hepatocytes, glucose is either converted into glycogen as a storage form or enters into glycolysis. Fatty acid in adipose tissue converted into triglyceride, or in liver or muscles, it is converted through beta oxidation in mitochondria through acetyl-CoA. And amino acids, what is their fate? Glucogenic, ketogenic, or glucogenic as well as ketogenic, converted into acetyl-CoA or pyruvate. And during this process, reducing equivalents are NADH or FADH2 are produced. This is called secondary metabolism. In tertiary metabolism, which takes place in mitochondria, the process is called electron transport chain plus oxidative phosphorylation. These NADH and FADH2 transfers are processed in electron transport chain, and whatever oxygen and hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water molecule. During this process, protons are pumped from matrix side of the mitochondria to intermembranous space. These protons present in intermembranous space comes down again into the matrix to FO, F1 particles. That is called oxysomes. During passing from intermembranous space to matrix, ATP is produced. Actually, ATP is formed, but release of ATP requires this process. And this ATP is also called as energy currency of the cell, is utilized all over the body for so many processes like biosynthetic reactions, protein synthesis, muscle movement, action potential, nerve membrane, electrochemical gradient, that is transmission of nerve impulse, clotting process, and so many processes involved where ATP is required. And this is called tertiary metabolism. So we consider today what is primary metabolism, secondary metabolism, and tertiary metabolism. Before understanding biological oxidation and in that electron transport chain and oxidative phosphorylation, we require these understanding of primary, secondary, and tertiary metabolism. Thank you. In types of metabolism or metabolism types, what left to say is Krebs cycle is the final terminal metabolic pathway, which is also included in secondary metabolism. The carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins ultimately comes and join the Krebs cycle. So it is called secondary metabolism because it also generates huge huge number of reducing equivalents and that enter into the tertiary metabolism. That reducing equivalents are NADH plus H and FADH2, and that enters into electron transport chain and joins oxidative phosphorylation. So oxygen is there to accept reducing equivalents and water is formed. So tertiary metabolism said to be internal respiration or cellular respiration. Thank you.